big
My dear,
clump. Yeah.
you have cornstarch on your nose.
How did I get it up there?
You were touching at the start of it.
You're watching
Oh yeah! Guys, welcome back. And me and Wesley are gonna be making cloud dough this time on this video. So let's get started. Okay.
Okay, what do you need?
We need one cut of cornstarch.
Yeah,
And shaving foam.
and shaving foam. Not shave gel, but shave foam. Woo!
Okay, now I'm gonna put this in.
And are you measuring?
No.
No, because why?
Because I don't really know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put 1 cup in.
We're
Okay.
suggesting.
You're experimenting? All right. Well, that just went to more than 1 cup, hey?
It fluffed.
I love it.
Oh, this is so messy.
I don't think it's gonna
Come over.
I think you might have to use your hands.
Oh,
Oh, no.
oh my god.
How's yours coming, Wes?
Not good.
No.
I don't even. It feels too light.
Well, you need to, look, you haven't even mixed it all in yet. All that cornstarch is still sitting at the bottom. How about you, miss?
I don't know. I just started.
I think maybe your bowl's a little small.
And
Should I
this
get
is
a
going to
bigger
get
bowl?
messy. So.
No, not right now.
Okay.
What's something that we think that you might be able to add to
Feels
this?
like marshmallows. Like
I feel like I should add a little bit of water.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
it
think?
feels
I
too
don't.
light.
If it's too light, do you think maybe you just add more shave foam?
Sure. I'll add.
All right.
Oh, that actually feels kind of cool.
It's so weird how the shape foam just.
I think shave foam is amazing on its own.
Yeah, like what it can do. It
Mm-hmm.
can shape faces.
I like the way it feels.
Yeah.
Me too.
That's so fluffy.
Um,
Some of it fell over here.
what does it smell like?
Smells
It
like
smells-
shaving cream.
It smells like. I actually don't know. Maybe fresh car.
Fresh car. Shaving foam with new car scent.
Maybe pine, black pine. I don't know.
Mine's coming together a little well than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
But it feels. It's kind of actually sticky.
Yeah.
Kind of sticky. I don't know if I should
Like
add more
sticking to my
shaving
hands.
foam.
Mm-hmm.
Because I still there's plain cornstarch mostly everywhere. So.
Okay, so you need to mix more.
Look at
I think yeah, there, Zoe's is getting it. Here, let's zoom in
Okay,
there.
I got a clump.
look at
We're clumping. You can clump it. Yeah. Or, let's
It
see
feels
Wesley's.
like cheese,
Like cheese.
like crumpled up cheese.
Keep going.
it. Looks like that. Yeah. When you feel it, it's
Yeah.
actually really soft.
It's
and-
really, so it's
Okay.
fluffy.
It feels like that sand that gets crumpled up, like wet sand, and
Uh-huh.
when it gets crumpled up, then you break it.
It's like perfect sandcastle making material.
I think you have to add maybe a little
Ooh.
more.
You added more shave foam.
Yeah, I'm wondering what it's gonna turn out like. If I add
Okay.
more.
Did
Trying
you
to
know,
Make a big
my dear,
clump. Yeah.
you have cornstarch on your nose?
How did I get it up there?
You were touching at the start of the video.
Okay.
I don't really know if putting more cornstarch, shaving foam is going to help. I don't know. Like, it feels like
Look at this.
grinded marshmallows.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, Zoe, yours turned out so much better.
That's perfect. And now it's not even really sticking to your fingers, right? But then it just crumbles. What's your favorite thing to do with cloud dough?
Let's say I'm gonna say I never tried it before, but I want to try and make like lots of it and then like have a snowball fight with it.
Oh my goodness.
If it
That would
actually
be
works.
like outside maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, we'd have to vacuum the grass. How will we do that?
I know, right?
It's not snow.
Not actually snow. Is there anything else you guys want to say?
It's big.
Do you think maybe you need more cloud dough or more cornstarch or more shave foam? Like, what do you think the ratio is?
Shave foam as I can.
Oh boy, the video just went downhill.
I just think when you add more shave foam, it makes it more crumbly because now it's not really sticking to my hands.
So you added more shave foam?
I added more shave foam and now it's like,
Yeah, remember we only have 1 cup of cornstarch in each of these bowls. And now we've just been experimenting with the amount of shave foam that you have to add.
I gotta add one
Now
more.
Zoe's
3
has gone no, don't add more of that. We'll just keep experimenting. Now it's super fluffy, right?
Yeah.
And super sticky.
Well, it's keep sticking to me.
Yeah.
So
To me, it looked like 1 cup of cornstarch to maybe 2 cups of shave foam. That was like the perfect ratio. And now
I bet about
I was watching you guys. Yeah, let's see yours. Yours is still nice and crumbly.
look.
Yeah.
So I can pick it up.
Because I put lots of
Yeah.
And
That's
to a ball.
perfect.
I can squeeze
Exactly,
it. and then
but
it's a ball.
Zoe, who put in like double the amount of
It just sticks
shave
to me.
foam, it's hers fell apart.
Yeah.
All right, we need to clean up Zoe. She needs to put more cornstarch in, but we'll do that off camera.
What?
Are you gonna say bye?
Bye. This video's ending.
See you later.
Mine turned out terrible and then good. No good and then terrible.
Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna
Oh boy. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.